Hello everyone. The countdown begins. Just a few more minutes for our Josh 2024 to begin. Request you all to please gather near the stage. good evening, and a warm welcome to all present here. It's a great pleasure to welcome you all to this special occasion as we celebrate Josh 2024. This evening is not just a reflection of vibrant culture, but also a tribute to the incredible journey that has brought us to where we are today. Ravi Chandran has been the guiding light, carrying forward the vision of her father, the late Dr. Ravi Chandran Venkatraman. Together, they laid the foundation for what we are today, a company rooted in values, innovation, and relentless growth. This evening is about celebrating our passion, our unity, and the extraordinary team that makes all of this possible. Let's continue to soar higher together. Welcome to the Josh 2024. Let's make this evening an evening to remember. To begin with, we have Sridat on the tabla and Vamshi on the flute with their Jugalbandi performance to give a musical opening to the Josh 2024. That was indeed a great start for our Josh. As we begin our program, let us take a moment to seek divine blessings for the success and the prosperity of our journey ahead. I kindly request everyone to please rise for prayer. We will now have Navya, Amritapai, Lavanya, Sumitra, Suchitra, and Ashalata lead us into prayer.
ವಂಶಿ ತಾನ್ಪುರ ಮಾಡಿ ತಾನ್ಪುರ शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये अगजा गजाननमहर्निशम् अनेकदन्तं भक्तानां एकदन्तमुपास्महे गजवदना वेडुवे गजवदना वेडुवे गौरी तनया गजवदना वेडुवे गौरी तनया त्रिजगवन्दितने सुजनर उरेवने गजवदना वेडुवे परम पवित्र मूषिकवाहन मुनिजन प्रेम पाशांकुशधर परम पवित्र मूषिकवाहन मुनिजन प्रेम गजवदना वेडुवे गौरी तनया त्रिजगवन्दितने सुजनर उरेवने गजवदना वेडुवे मोददिनिन्नया पादवतोरो साधुवन्दितने आदरदिन्दने मोददिनिन्नया पादवतोरो साधुवन्दितने आदरदिन्दने सरसिजनावशी सरसिजनावशी पुरन्दर विठ्ठलना सरसिजनावशी पुरन्दर विठ्ठलना निरुतने निरुवन्ते वरदयमो निरुतने निरुवन्ते वरदयमाडो गजवदना वेडुवे गौरी तनयवन्दितने सुजनर उरेवने गजवदना वेडुवे गजवदना वेडुवे गजवदना वेडुवे
Thank you, team, for leading us into prayer. Our motto for Josh 2024 is simple yet powerful: building bonds, creating success. This theme embodies the spirit of collaboration, unity, and shared achievements that defines our journey. To officially ignite this celebration, I would like to invite our esteemed leaders to the stage for the lighting of the lamp. Please join me in welcoming Shyam Prasad Hebar, our Chief People Officer, Yogesh Pai, our Vice President Technology, Vijita Kamble, our Vice President Operations, and Emin Pai, our Director Finance and Accounts.
शुभं कुरु त्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तु ते दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तु ते शुभं कुरु त्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरु त्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरु त्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः
I request the dignitaries to kindly stay back on stage as we proceed with the distribution of global awards. To conduct this segment, I call upon Vinesh and Kriti on stage.
Hello, chick. Hello, chick. Hello, hello. Hello.
Thank you, Michelle. Hi, this is Kriti here.
This is Vinesh.
Good evening, everyone. It's a true pleasure to welcome you all to our annual event. Today, we gather not only to reflect on the remarkable journey we have shared this year, but also to celebrate the outstanding individual who has gone above and beyond their contribution.
This event is a reflection of a dedication, innovation, and hard work that defines our organization. The past year has been filled with challenges and triumphs, but it is our commitment and passion that has propelled us forward. And today we take a moment to honor those who have truly set themselves apart from their exceptional achievements.
Our annual awards ceremony will shine a spotlight on every best among us, those whose efforts have made an lasting impact on our success, for excellence in innovation, in teamwork and leadership, and also the customer service. Today's award reflects the value that our Unify CX, not just it's a place to work, but a community where talent and passion thrive.
As we celebrate the achievement of our colleagues, let us be reminded of the strength that comes from collaboration and power of every individual here today. Each of us has played a role in making Unify CX what it is, and together we continue to build a bright future.
So without further delay, let's begin this wonderful celebration and recognize the true stars of our Unify CX.
So let me start with the first category award. Before that, guys, how is the Josh? How is the Josh? How is the Josh? So the first category award would be S Employee Award. This award recognizes employees who has consistently achieved excellence by meeting all required SLAs for a minimum 2 quarters. This exceptional performance is related in their outstanding scores on their published scorecard, showcasing their dedication, consistency, and commitment of excellence.
Let's celebrate these high achievers who continue to set a benchmark and drive success to our organization.
So this person is known for a remarkable contribution and tireless effort towards achieving excellence. It's none other than Aishwarya Sundara. Round of applause, guys.
Next on the list, we have for our exceptional work ethic and commitment to success, it's Fiza Fatima.
Round of applause, guys. Consistently exceeding expectation and delivering outstanding results. Any guesses, guys? It is Ganesh G.
Mahesh Nayak for his dedication and ability to achieve outcomes in every task.
Mohiddin Rizwan for his attention to detail and drive to excellence in all endeavor.
For her outstanding contribution and ability to achieve outcomes in every task. We have Modina Rizwan for his attention to detail and drive to excel in all endeavors. And next we have, for her outstanding contribution and ability to inspire her peers, Purvi Amin.
Renita Susan D'Souza for setting high standards with her relentless pursuit of excellence.
And in this ACE Award, last but not the least, we have Zinon Luke Rosario for his remarkable ability to exceed organizational goals.
Guys, round of applause. Can't hear you.
So Vinish, do you have any idea what's the next category awards?
Yes, so the next category award is Alpha Player Award. So this award is dedicated to an extraordinary individual who has truly lived and breathed the core values of our organization, embodying them in every aspect of their daily activities with exceptional leadership skill. This employee has inspired those of them, setting a standard, excellence and dedication with all we admire.
Please join us in celebrating the outstanding contribution of these incredible future leaders. For setting a benchmark with his proactive approach and problem-solving abilities, Ashish Shetty. And next we have, for showcasing exceptional teamwork and can-do attitude in every challenge, Krishna Kumar Doddamani.
And we have Vaibhav V. Rai for consistently delivering excellence on leadership by example. Over to you, Kriti.
Thank you, Vinish. Moving on, the next category award would be the Client Care Champ Award. These are presented for an exceptional employee who truly is the spirit of customer care. These individuals has consistently demonstrated outstanding performance by valuing customer input, showing genuine interest in enhancing the customer experience, and using that knowledge to improve satisfaction and loyalty.
So for this, we have 3 lady rock stars, and this shows the real woman empowerment. So it is none other than Bhagyashree Mahalinga for her exceptional skills and dedication to client satisfaction. Dravya D. Prasad for building strong client relationship and providing top-notch service. Guys, round of applause. Can't hear you. And we have Manju Sri Ravi Kumar for her proactive and innovative approach to solving client challenges. Kriti, do you know the next category award? It is one of my favorite, you know.
I believe so, but Vinish, I would like to take a pause here. I would like to first congratulate to all the winners who has just taken your awards. Meanwhile, thank you, Mr. Yogesh and MN Pai. Would request you to sit down and enjoy the next show. Also request Sham and Vijeta to stay back. I think Vinish, you can go ahead with your favorite award now.
Yes, thanks, Kriti. So this award category is Most Valued Leader. This award is presented to a leader who has demonstrated extraordinary leadership skill. This employee has inspired and motivated others consistently, leading by example and setting standard of excellence along with walk the talk. Their ability to guide and inspire the team makes foster growth and consistently deliver results, make them a true leader in every sense. So let's celebrate this remarkable achievement and applaud the outstanding contribution. So this person has a visionary leadership and come. Guys, any guesses? Any guess? It's Sandeep Rao. And we have one more Iron Lady for her empathetic approach to leadership and unwavering commitment to team success. That is Asha Rao.
Meanwhile, I would request Mr. Rohan K. Bhatia, Vice President Business Intelligence and Data Science, to please step onto the stage. Also, Shashikant Rao, Senior Director Technology, to please join us on the stage.
Guys, how is the Josh? How is the Josh? How is the Josh? Okay, so we have last but not least Shailesh Sadashiv Shetty for guiding his team with expertise and fortunating his culture and innovation. Round of applause, guys. Over to you, Kriti.
Thank you, Vinish. Moving on, we have Glowy Achiever Award. This award goes to an exceptional employee who has delivered incredible performance and consistently taken initiatives that have added significant value to the company. Their outstanding efforts have not only been recognized within the organization, but also have earned us a high appreciation from our clients. And for this award, we have Supreet Bangera.
So Kriti, just hold on with the second person's name because this person wouldn't be recognized with the actual name. He's a person who is setting a shining example, going above and beyond. It is none other than, guys, any guesses? Kitty, yes, Kirtan G. Rao. Round of applause, guys. Over to you, Kriti.
May I please call upon Ms. Varsha Iyer on stage. And next we have the Eye for Talent Award, recognizing with a keen ability to identify, recruit and nurture the best talent for our organization. For his exceptional talent, skills and ability to spot future leaders, Mr. Parashivamurthy S. I think he's in Mysore. We move on.
So the next category award would be Nurture of Talent Award. recognizing the special contribution to building talent and driving excellence. Not only is this award open to our outstanding trainers, but it also honor mentors for the operation team who has gone above and beyond to guide and develop their teams. This recipient of this award has demonstrated outstanding performance that has significantly benefited the company. So please join me in congratulating Mr. Sudhir Kumar. Guys, round of applause. Woo! Over to you, Priti.
Thank you, Vinish. Next, we have an interesting award, Vinish. It's called People Champion Award.
What is this all about?
This is about he who has an individual has stepped out of their usual responsibilities to demonstrate exceptional people skills, ensuring a positive impact on the organization talent team. Their dedication and ability to address challenges with empathy and efficiency make them truly deserving to this recognition. Any guesses, guys? It is none other than Satvik Malligemadu. I'm sure most of the girls know him as a camera person whom we give our pose. Over to you, Vinish.
Okay, so the next category would be Lord of Number Award. This individual has consistently demonstrated outstanding performance, showcasing their expertise in managing resources efficiently. They have also taken cost-effective measures that have significantly benefited the company, driving financial success and sustainability. Let's applaud their remarkable achievement and celebrate their individual effort. That is none other than Prashant Kumar Shetty B. Over to you, Kriti.
Thank you, Vinish. And here, guys, we come to the last award for this evening. That would be Calmer of the Storm Award. This is demonstrated outstanding performance implementing cost-effective measures that have significantly benefited the company. They have also ensured seamless connectivity in every situation, playing a vital role in keeping our operations running smooth. It's none other than Chetan K. So Vinish, I think we are done with our job.
So heartily congratulations to all winners. Your remarkable achievement, commitment and dedication inspire us all. Let's continue to build on this success and aim ever high in the future.
So this is Vinish and Kriti signing off for the evening for this particular awards. Meanwhile, I would request Mr. Satish Shetty to start with the sports award. Thank you.
Guys, how is the Josh? How is the Josh? How is the Josh? Thank you guys. Thank you all.
Gentlemen, it is time to honor and celebrate the exceptional talent that we have witnessed during the Unify CX JOSH 2024 sports tournament. Now I call upon the names of winners and runners-up of the 7 tournaments conducted over the last 6 months. First, I'll be calling the winners of the individual tournament. I'll request Sushan Kollur, the Senior Director of Operations, and Dominic Rosario, Senior Director of Software Engineering. Please come up the stage to distribute the individual winners award. Okay. I'll request Varsha Iyer, Vice President, Learning and Development Quality, and Shashikant. Firstly, we'll start with chess. The chess winner, Unify CX JOS 2024 is the chess legend, the chess master, the 15-time winner, the undefeated winner since 2009, none other than Govardhan Chakrapani. Let us give a big applause to the Govardhan Chakrapani. Award. The chess runners-up and carom runners-up winner is the most formidable opponent, man who is refused to surrender, is none other than Prashant Keshav. Next, the carom winner, the first place goes to the king of carom trick shot, Mr. Supit Bangera. Next, the badminton male singles runner-up as bagged by Kaushik. Wonderful power and consistency. Badminton mixed doubles runner-up are Kaushik and Sarita Lavina Charo. Excellent offensive shot and strength. Congratulations. The badminton female singles runner-up is once again Sarita Charo. She is very fit and fine. The badminton male doubles runners-up are Vignesh Prabhu and Joyce Sanjay. Wonderful partnership. Next, male singles first prize goes to Vignesh. Excellent reaction and perfection. badminton female doubles runners-up are Asha, Lata and Aishwarya. Wonderful partnership. Badminton female singles winner is once again Aishwarya. Outstanding performance. Badminton male doubles winners are Sukesh and Sheetal Nath. Wonderful agility and footwork. Badminton mixed doubles winners are Divina Khoila and Sheetal Nath. Badminton female doubles winners are Nidhi and Shraddha Shetty. Super strength and endurance. Next, the group individual winners. Oli Ball. The player of the tournament is, could you imagine? The man is always very cool and calm, doesn't have any attitude, service specialist, super setter, top class smasher, all rounder, none other than Hari Prasad, WB United. Throw ball, player of the tournament is service specialist, excellent agility and footwork, none other than Soumya Hegde. Best Batsman Award has backed by Varun Prabhu. He has scored 78 runs. Wonderful batting performance. Give a big applause to Varun Prabhu. Men's cricket, best bowler, man of the final, the man of the series award goes to one of the finest fielder, quality and controlled bowler, wonderful batsman, Piyush Shreyas. He has took 9 wickets and in the final 2 overs he has took 2 wickets and just conceded 3 runs. Wonderful, brilliant performance from Piyush Shreyas. Next, cricket women's best bowler is the swing specialist Neha R. Two innings, she has taken 6 wickets. What a magnificent bowling. Absolutely brilliant. The best batsman of the match finals win of the series. The winner is Asha Lata K.A. Magnificent bowling, batting, outstanding performance. Success. Wonderful batting. Sushan. And what? Tugger for male winners are Ramblers, led by Ravi Yadav. What a power, what a teamwork and intelligence in championships. Ramblers, introducing our Tug of War champions. The Ramblers since 2009, they have dominated the competition, winning 11 consecutive championships. Their success is built on dedication, the teamwork and trust. More than just team, the Ramblers are family driven by their love for the sport. Let's give a big round of applause for the Ramblers.
To awaken always seems to imply that higher consciousness.
Next, the throw ball runners are the Shooters Army, led by Aishwarya, and the cricket male winners are Beard Army, led by Neville Richard Dias. The Shooters Army, welcome to the exciting world of Shooters Army. The Shooters Army has been full of energy and passion since 2015. The team motto is aim high, achieve together. Every match played has helped them learn and support each other. Shooters Army is more than just a name. It's a team full of hope and dreams. We can't wait to aim even higher in the future. Let's give a big round of applause for the Shooters Army. The Beard Army was formed in 2019 during the cricket tournament inspired by the No Shave number 10. It started as a fun team for the cricket, created by friends and looking to enjoy the time outside work. Over the years, they have grown and now participate in many sports events, aiming to expand even more in the future. Their tagline is Born to Rule. With strong spirit and dedication, they strive to excel on the field and show our skills. The teamwork, preservation and winning attitude are the heart of what we do. Let's give a big round of applause for the Beard Army, team that truly embodies spirit, dedication, and the joy of the sport.
Mighty game, Beard Army team will claim our fame. In the heart of battle, we don't kneel, wielding strength sharper than steel. Born to rule in this mighty game, Beard
The next.
Army team will claim our fame.
Tug of War female winners are WB United, team led by Shraddha Shetty. Cricket primary female runners up are WB United, team led by Pratiksha. And volleyball winners are WB United, team led by Prasad Kumar. And tug of war male runners up are WB United, team led by Nathan Saldana. WB United was formed 3 years ago after the pandemic with a vision of the creating team that believes in its potential and performs at its best. WB stands for we believe, reflecting the commitment to unity and power of working together to achieve anything. Their mantra is simple. WB is an emotion. We stay united, give our best, aim for excellence while having fun along the way. Win or loss, our spirit is strong and we always support each other. Leadership comes from everyone and that's what makes WB United special. Let's give a warm round of applause for WB United, a team that exemplifies belief, unity and the spirit of togetherness. What a teamwork, coordination, unbelievable, outstanding. The next volleyball runners-up are OGC, the team led by Desmond Goyes, and the cricket male runners-up are OGC, team led by Desmond Goyes. The tug of war female runners are OGC Scorpions, the team led by Neha. Throw ball winners are OGC Scorpions, team led by Vijay Lakshmi Swarna. Cricket female winners are OGC Scorpions, team led by Navya Chandrasekhar. OGC, the team which needs very less introduction, the famous OGC. Welcome to the Rocking Guys crew. OGC founded in 2008, Fairmanch. OGC started from countless sports even like our company. The team motto, win or loss, we stand as one, embodies our unity and passion. Now celebrating 16 years, RGC continues to grow with each new member. Once RGCN, ASK RGCN. RGCN Scorpions bonds, creating success. We are proud to call ourselves the RGC Scorpions. Let's celebrate RGC Scorpions, a remarkable team that exemplifies unity, determination, and spirit of victory. Together, we are unstoppable. What a brilliant bowling, wonderful batting, excellent heart, and what a determination. Congratulations. Now I'll request Shyam Prasad Habbar, Vijeta Kamli, Prakash David Riga, Srinivas Rao. Take your seat among the other leaders in the audience. Congratulations winners. Wish you all the best for your next adventure. Thank you.
And thank you, Satish, for the announcement. Good evening, everyone. No sound, huh? Hello. Hello. Good evening, everybody. Make some noise. Well, as cliche as it sounds, where's the Josh, guys? Where is the Josh? I'm not hearing. Repeat, where is the Josh? Okay, let's see. We have an entire night for that, right? Shall we go to the culturals? I did not hear that. Repeat. फिर से नहीं सुनाई दिया. Only one person is doing that. Okay. Bokonji MC Talo. Michelle. Michelle.
Suhas, yan mule.
ಮೂಲೆ ಒಲ್ಪಲೆ
Ide tulaya, tade.
ನೀವು ಈಡೆ ಒಲು
Kulle batte.
ಒಲ್ಪ ಗೊಲ್ಲೋಡಿತ್ತು ಮೂಲು ತಲತ
I'm right here, Suhas.
Yeah, I know. Looking nice.
Uh-oh, thank you.
So, since you're here, shall we start?
Yeah, what are we waiting for? Ladies and gentlemen, Josh 2024. Without any further ado, we will now witness the spirit and diversity of India come alive. Right from the beautiful elegance of Bharatanatyam
To the very energetic beats of Bhangra
to the mesmerizing rhythms of Kathak,
and to the folks of Gujarat and beyond.
we will now witness our friends who will showcase the colorful celebration of India's cultural heritage through a form of a dance.
Oh yes, but wait, there's something.
What is it? I'm curious.
There's something else missing actually. That is the noise. Who has the noise, guys?
Guys, it's 2024 Josh. As the years build, the Josh needs to build. Can
Yeah,
I hear
exactly.
from you guys? I hear it from some different, maybe from the right side, but I cannot see you.
Yeah, whoever is near the entrance, please come here because we need some sound.
Right. So till the Josh begins, since I'm not hearing any Josh from you all, let's have a spot game.
Shall we?
Are you all ready?
Who said that? Yeah?
So we hear the Josh right from the behind. So the first game goes, who has the most number of messages in their inbox?
It's about SMS, not WhatsApp.
Anyone can hurry up.
Come on, people, there are lots of people around. Check your
We
phones.
see Vinay really
Check
begging
your
for the
phones.
prize. Anyone else?
Yeah, Vinay is coming running.
Woohoo, Vinay.
Come on, Vinay, you can run fast.
The clock is ticking. We also have Mangla putting on a PT Usha shoes,
Yeah.
running on the days.
Okay, we only have 2 people here.
Vinay will count it for us.
I don't know.
Yes, son.
Anything is possible, Vinay. You have all the time. Vinay says he has almost 1,000 messages. I'm really curious, Vinay. Whom are you messaging?
Please, secret.
He says it's a secret, so let's know how much.
See, it is still here.
Vinay says he doesn't delete his messages. Shall I read? No, that's invading his privacy. Let's not do that. So we have Vijita.
1,000.
Hey, you have 418. You can go back.
Eh,
Wow. Competition is building. We have 7,758 messages from Vijita. Anyone?
Okay, Mangala has gone.
SMS, correct. SMS. This one.
Yes, that is what.
We have 7,000. Can anyone beat it? People, anyone who has beyond 7,000 SMSs? Anybody?
Oh, we have another champion amidst us. No, you have to go back. Okay, it doesn't say numbers.
Yeah, it's a...
Okay, clearly we have a winner here. Sorry, Vinay. We'll have another
Vinay
game
has
for
lost
you.
it.
We have our own VJ who wins the award. And I'm sorry, the prize is a big round of applause.
Come on, guys.
Should be loud enough. But we'll have a special prize for you, Vijita. I'll meet you. Right. So moving on next. This is for the men. Anyone with the longest belt can please run up on the stage. Anyone? With the longest belt.
Hello, anybody there?
Why are the men shy? You can hold on to your pant till then.
Shall we call them then, Michelle?
Yeah, let's call out, no? Shall we call out the names?
Shall we? It's because nobody is coming here. Let's
Right.
see. Satvik, pick someone. I am going to give you. Yeah, pick someone from the crowd. Anybody. Any 2 actually. Okay, Satvik got 1, none. Well, I am seeing Prakash over there. Prakash, please come. Satish, Satvik, call Prakash. Yeah, the one with the beautiful smile.
We have one participant here. A big round of applause and cheer to him. Anyone? Anyone who wants to grab the prize? Anyone here?
Nobody? Even Prakash is backing out for some reason.
So what's your name?
Naresh Malliga.
Clearly, Naresh is a winner tonight. He's been the sport. A big round of applause to Naresh. Thank you so much.
So, shall we start?
I think we need to really build up because we are waiting for the Josh from the audience. Till then, we have another game for you guys. Anyone with the longest hair?
I think I can.
This is open for both men and women, huh?
Then it's me.
These days, men have beautiful hair than the women.
So, nobody?
Do the women agree? No noise. Anyone with the longest hair? Tick, tick, 1.
We got 1. And where she's running.
Yes, we have 1.
We got 2 right now.
Anyone to counter her? Okay, second one.
Only two. Longest hair. Guys, I don't think you can match with that, but still. Michelle, shall I try?
Your prize is you're nominated for a hair oil ad. Oh, oil use man pinir.
Parachute coconut oil.
Boka ir Nisarga.
No, Kesha Vardhini.
And you didn't ask me.
Oh, so how can we leave Suhas? Suhas has a wonderful hair. Can we all?
Yeah, I'm not.
What's the
open.
secret, Suhas?
Old monk.
Okay, so we leave it up to the audience to be the judges today. Who wins? I request you all to please turn back, flaunt your wonderful hair.
Who?
The competition is tough, but I can hear. Seems like
Say
a tie.
louder. A little bit louder.
Okay, Vijay says, I have to listen to Vijay. But clearly, can I also look once, please? I'll have to measure. This looks like a big tie.
Yeah.
I think the award goes to both of you. These days to have a long hair is a challenge, and you both have it. Great. Wonderful applause to both of them. So before we proceed, 5 minutes break, like how it happens in the commercials and the TVs. See you soon, guys. We'll be back in another 5 minutes.
Well, guys, there seems to be a slight delay. During that time, let me announce the winners of Joe's Trivia Quiz, which was run during this week, isn't it? Guys, hello. Nobody is. Only these people are listening to me. Okay. Going forward, the Joe's Trivia Quiz winner is, for the second place, is Muhammad Nishan. And the first place goes to Shishira Shetty. These prizes will be distributed later. And the next program was Best Out of Waste, which was won by prize winners a little bit later on. Thank you.
you all, we have another spot game. And don't be deceived, we do have prizes for all of you this time. So we have this delicious spread that is, getting ready for us for the evening tonight.
So can we have 5 people on the stage right now? Anyone? Any 5? Kids, adults?
Who can come in and explain to us what are the dishes that are displayed today, that are there for us as a spread.
Anyone? Any 5?
Let's make it even 3.
Come on, guys. Nobody is coming
volunteers,
forward.
Come on. Tick, tick, 1, 2.
Nobody.
I think everybody is hungry. Probably once you finish eating, you might tell us. Anyone?
Come on, guys. I see lots of people here.
I think Suhas, they are just having a look at how many counters are present.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3. I can see only 5.
Anyone?
Not one? कोई तो एक आ जाओ. I don't think they are in the mood. They are hungry, Michelle.
I think so. I think you all need some energy tonight.
Yeah.
We can give you some time. Any volunteers here?
None of them.
I think they are all shy. Let us only guess, Suhas. What do you think we'll have for tonight?
Well, I want South Indian.
I'm only dreaming of this amazing fish that I can smell till here.
Yeah. Anjal fish, I guess.
Anjan. That's right.
Shall we eat? Because these people are hungry and so am I.
So are we?
Nobody?
Anyways,
Are you hungry, people?
we can have some kids come forward also. Hey, can you come on stage? Yeah? Please cheer up for this young boy.
Oh, at last
He's been
one
an
guy.
amazing volunteer tonight.
Yeah, nobody? No other
Please
kids?
cheer up for the kid.
Any kids, please come on
Hi.
stage.
What's your name?
My name is Ishan.
Hi, Ishan. What a wonderful name. Are you enjoying the dishes tonight, this evening? Can you please tell me what is there in the spread for us today? Because I cannot go forward today.
There are many different kind of items like biryani and noodles. Like, I really like many of these kind of foods, but I don't know about you personally.
I like fish. This fish for me?
I don't know.
Let's see, he's eating it the
Yeah,
moment.
he's keeping it as a suspense for me. But anyway, thank you. Thank you so much. Enjoy your rest of the evening.
So, shall we continue finding other people?
Yeah, sure.
Any
Anyone
other
in?
kids? He just gave 3 options. Do you like that, Michelle? Noodles.
Okay, we have another spot game. Anyone who has the most oldest coin in their bag? A very old coin in their bag.
Anybody? People?
None.
None.
Anyone with the oldest coin in their bag? I think this seems to be outdated. Nobody
Yes.
has coins these days. It's all shifted to the digital world.
Yeah, and either that or your voice is mute, I guess.
Anyone with more number of accessories?
Nobody? I think I will win that. I have more access.
The Josh needs some. I think
Yeah.
people are in for some amazing food today.
Everybody has come empty stomach.
So see you all in another 10 minutes.
Hello back. I am back, people. And ladies and gentlemen, the wait is finally over. Isn't it?
Yes. Please get up. Please get up as we have our friends who are going to showcase the colorful celebration of India's cultural heritage through a form of a dance. Welcoming our friends.
Let's give a round of applause, please.
Good evening, everyone. Welcome to JOS 2024. We are thrilled to have you here tonight to witness an incredible showcase of talent and creativity through dance. Diversity is the heartbeat of our nation, a beautiful mosaic that reflects the richness of religions, languages, rituals, dance form, and way of living. Unity is the bond that ties us together, allowing us to embrace and cherish each other's culture.
गणाध्यक्षाय धीमहि गुणशरीराय गुणमण्डिताय गुणेशानाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय
Be mesmerized by the elegance of Kathak, a dance form that beautifully blends strength and grace. Originating from North India, Kathak is not just about movements. It's a storytelling art that captivates the heart and soul. The eyes, called as Nayan, become the windows to the dancer's emotions, conveying a world of feelings without a single word. With every glance, every flutter, the dancer expresses endless self-love, drawing the audience into the realm of passion and devotion. Ladies and gentlemen, at its heart, Garba is a vibrant celebration of life, love, and community. This enchanting dance invites everyone to join in a rhythmic embrace, symbolizing unity and harmony. Each clap and twirl resonates with tradition, awakening the soul. As Jalsa is their motive, they scream out and say, दिल से दिल तक ये रंग है प्यार का, गरबा है जश्न जिंदगी का इजहार का.
Seiya, seiya, ve ayo maro seiya. Seiya, seiya, ve ayo maro seiya. Seiya, seiya, ve ayo maro seiya. Seiya, seiya, ve ayo maro seiya.
देख के नजारे तू आई रे चोरी चोरी से, किसी को पता ना चला। आंखों में जो तारे हैं करते इशारे हैं, तेरे लिए मैं हूँ बना।
मुझ पे छाया जो नूर है तेरा, इश्क तू है मेरा।
केसरियो रंग तने लाग्यो ल्या गरबा, केसरियो रंग तने लाग्यो रे लो। केसरियो रंग तने लाग्यो ल्या गरबा, केसरियो रंग तने लाग्यो रे लो।
झीनी झीनी जाइयो मिला बिना गरबा,
केसरियो रंग तने लाग्यो रे लो।
सैया सैया वे आयो मारो सैया, सैया सैया वे आयो मारो सैया, सैया सैया वे आयो मारो सैया, सैया सैया वे आयो मारो सैया।
Get ready to dive into the exhilarating spirit of Bhangra, a dance form that embodies the heart and soul of Punjabi culture. This is not just a dance, it's a celebration overflowing with energy, rhythm, and pure joy. It's a beautiful fusion of tradition and modernity, where the hot youth blood, also called as Punjab di Shan, pulses with every beat, igniting the dance floor with infectious grooves.
Somebody like me, come on now, follow my lead. I may be crazy, don't mind me. Say, too much. I wanna listen to that body on me. Come on now, follow my lead. Come on now, follow my lead. I'm in love with the shape of you. You should go like a night magic. My heart is falling too. I'm in love with your body. I'm in love with your body. I'm in love with your body. Maybe this love is something brand new. I'm in love with the shape of you.
this vibrant celebration, what we have witnessed today is a reflection of our own talent from our company. A true depiction of love, grace, passion, and energy. Unify CX stands as a testament to the beautiful blend of every bit of India. Together, we celebrate our heritage and the unity that binds us. Thank you for joining us in this unforgettable journey. I have a शायरी that's coming in. घर की मुर्गी दाल बराबर. अरे सुन लो जरा. घर की मुर्गी दाल बराबर हमारे टीम ने किया कमाल. यूनिफाई सीएक्स के रंगों में बसी है कहानी. अपने लोगों ने दिखाया है जलवा बेमिसाल. Thank you.
That was indeed a wonderful performance. Ladies and gentlemen, let's hear for our team who showcased a wonderful cultural heritage through a dance form.
Yes, it was. A round of applause, please. Loud one.
Suhas, what do we have next?
We have a very special performance actually. You know what it is?
Very hard to guess. I think we have many for tonight, but this should be something more special.
Yeah, this will bring a very big smile in front of us, them, and also for the performers. You know what it is?
Still can't guess.
It's the kids.
Wow. So, ladies and gentlemen, please get ready for some cuteness overload as we have our employees kids. Probably the potential, members of Unify CX. Let's hear it for them, guys.
Our future
A big round of
colleagues, maybe.
applause.
So let's give a round of applause for Shavi, Avani, Janvi, Prashvi, Anya, Ashlesh, Arya, Aishwarya, and Kanvi.
Please welcome them with a loud round of applause.
देखो देखो क्या वो पेड़ है, चादर ओढ़े या खड़ा कोई. हे देखो देखो क्या वो पेड़ है, चादर ओढ़े या खड़ा कोई. बारिश है या आसमान ने छोड़ दिए हैं नल खुले कहीं. हो हम जैसे देखे ये जहां है वैसा ही, जैसी नजर अपनी खुल के सोचे आओ, पंख जरा फैलाओ, रंग नए बिखराओ. चलो 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 नए ख्वाब बुन ले. देखो देखो है शाम बड़ी दीवानी धीरे धीरे बन जाए न कोई कहानी देखो देखो है शाम बड़ी दीवानी धीरे धीरे बन जाए न कोई कहानी दिल पर है दिलकश है दिलदार नजारे हैं आज ज़मीं पर उतरे कितने सितारे हैं अगलो होश नमी दानम हम हैं दिल है और जानम बस दीवानगी 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 है ना कोई रहसन ना रहबर ये इल्जाम लगे किस पर बस दीवानगी 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 है All hot girls put your hands up and say Om Shanti All cool boys come on make some noise and say Om Shanti
Wow. Wasn't that good? Give me a high five. Thank you. Was that good? Awesome, is it? Yeah. that
अरे
was awesome.
सुहास, इन सब को देख के ना मुझे बिल्कुल बचपन का याद आ गया.
Of course. We are kids, right? दिल तो बच्चा ही रहेगा.
That's true.
So let's move on.
Yes.
Now we have a special treat for everyone. Do you know what it is? Anyone? Nobody. Do you know what it is, Michelle?
I think we have a very own, very special person whom we are all waiting to hear from her.
Yeah, it's our esteemed CEO, Vidya Ravichandran. She has a video message for us.
That's right. Under our leadership, we have seen a company being incorporated in Mangalore, started in Mangalore and spread across 8 global locations. I request you all to please pay attention to the screen as we hear from our own CEO, Vidya Ravichandran.
Hello, friends. Good evening and welcome to Josh 2024. I am thrilled to be here to welcome all of you to our annual celebration, to celebrate the year that was, and to look forward to a fantastic year that is on the horizon for all of us. I hope you take some time today to celebrate our accomplishments, celebrate the time with your friends and family, and reset and start looking forward to a wonderful year that's ahead of us. I want to take just a few minutes and give you a recap of some of the key milestones that we hit in 2024. As many of you may know, if you have been attending our town halls through the course of the year, you are all pretty much up to speed with our key highlights. But for those that haven't had an opportunity to join us, let me recollect a few of them. We started the year in January with the closing of our acquisition of Collective Solutions, and this helped us expand our global capabilities, add more strength to our team on the Philippines side, added Jamaica, Honduras, other locations, added logos, added some great talent, and helped us establish ourselves as an organization of much higher scale than we were operating at. And as we went through the course of the year, some other key areas that we have spent significant amount of time and effort on is developing our AI strategy. Many of you have kept up to speed with the changes that we have been making from the CS and the GT name into the Unified CX journey. As many of you know, the reason for this is us bringing together our AI capabilities and our people strength and capabilities into one combined org that focuses on customer experience for our clients, and Unify CX is now set to be a leader in the space as we look forward to our journey where we bring AI enablement on the customer side, on the customer journey, on the agent journey, and really helping us bring about significant amount of efficiency and operational capability towards our clients. A key accomplishment and success of this year has been rolling out our Unify 360 framework. As you all know, we want to mature and are in the process of moving into a much more metrics and KPI driven organization. And in order for us to be able to accomplish this, having a framework that allows us for global reporting, global management, real-time reporting, these are all key prerequisites to becoming a well-run, well-operated global organization. And Unify 360 has been very instrumental in helping us start this journey, and we are on pace to have this ready and rolled out Q1 of 2025. As we have expanded our capability in terms of our AI, our operational efficiencies, we have not stopped to on our focus to expand global geos. As many of you know, we've expanded our footprint in the Philippines, but we've also added an additional geography in the country of Colombia in South America. Our new location in Barranquilla was recently opened and is proving to be an absolute fantastic location in terms of how we are showcasing this to our clients, and will be the new touchstone in how we design and develop our global footprint going forward. This is a beautiful site, and for those of you that have not had a chance to see the videos or pictures, I would encourage you to take a look at this amazing facility that we have just opened. What does 2025 look like for us? It looks like a phenomenal year, very much on trajectory to help us have our greatest and largest year yet. We will continue our focus on organic growth. We have expanded our logos in 2024, but we are looking to expanding them even farther and faster and adding to significant numbers of headcount to the organization. We are also looking at deploying our AI capabilities that we have built internally to all of our customers before the end of 2025. This is a tall order. This is one that will require collaboration and cooperation from each and every one of you, both in our India locations and in every global location. To be able to AI enable our entire customer list and our entire bank of logos will really set us apart in terms of being a leader that owns the AI enablement of customer experience. And it will set us apart as somebody that is embracing the speed of change with which AI is changing our lives, but also somebody that is a fast emerging leader in the space. As many of you know, through the course of 2024, you have seen us add to our capability and our leadership teams. We have global leaders that are now sitting in different geographies, irrespective of where they might be in the world, and they have taken on and expanded their leadership roles and taken on additional global responsibilities. We will see an escalation of that in 2025. More people will have an opportunity to grow into global roles and take on responsibility for a lot more areas than they might be currently working on today. We will also continue to grow by acquisition. There will be other acquisitions that we are focused on, either in the areas of bringing us to geos that we are not operating in today, or taking us into areas of verticalization, specialization, and focus areas that may not be something that is a core strength today. So strategic expansion by acquisition will continue to be a key driver for growth in 2025. But having said all of this, 2025 is also the year when we will continue to push our Unify CX brand and make our presence be firmly known and establish ourselves as a leader in this space, because the future belongs to those who are willing to go boldly forward into an area where AI becomes a key part of every aspect of the work that we do. And this is an area we fully intend to embrace and own from the front. Before we wrap up, I would love to stop and say some thank yous to our team. This has been a very intense and a very busy year for a lot of us. It's a year when we have seen unprecedented growth. It's a year when we've had to deal with a lot of changes from the way customers are operating as it relates to technology. The requests from the customers continue to be for very high level of service delivery. So this has really been something our teams have been stepping up globally to be able to meet our customer needs and customer demands. But it's also been a year of big change for us. Collective and GlowTouch go forward into the world from the historical, phenomenal organizations they have been into this new world of AI enablement under Unify CX. So I would urge all of you to take some time to think about what an amazing journey you have all embarked on and been on with us for all of 2024. Take some time to relax, recuperate, and get ready to face 2025 with your energy, your vigor, and your love for the organization as you have had for the 2 decades that you've been with us. There are too many people to name that have made this journey an incredibly fruitful, and a phenomenal one. But you know who you are. And I want to thank all of you for making us who we are today. And I look to all of you to continue to help us grow and become the organization that we are destined to become in the future. Thank you all so much. Thank you for what you do. Thank you for putting the clients and your coworkers ahead of yourself. Thank you for all of the sacrifices that you continue to make on behalf of the company and on behalf of your clients. I would like to wrap up by wishing each and every one of you a Merry Christmas, a happy holiday season, and a wonderful new year. And I look forward to seeing all of you in person in all of the different global geos as we embark on 2025. Thank you again, and have a wonderful celebration.
Thank you, Vidya ma'am, for the wonderful and insightful message. So we are back again to trouble you all again with our spot games. Are you all in?
थोड़ा परेशान करें?
Yeah.
थोड़ा क्यों? So कुछ ज़्यादा ही करते हैं.
So before we begin, we would like to give away our prizes for the games that was conducted before the start of this program. So I would request Vijita Kamble to please come forward for winning 7,000 and odd unread messages in her inbox. Now I know where to reach you.
Come on, people. A round of applause for Vijita ma'am.
Anyone trying to reach Vijita Kamble, please don't drop in a text message.
A round of applause, people. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. I request Aishwarya to come forward for winning the most longest hair.
And also the lady, I forgot. She was
Another volunteer, request you to please come forward.
Please come on.
We also had a sporty volunteer who came forward for the longest belt. We request you also to please come forward. Ladies and gentlemen, please let's give them a big round of applause. So I asked this beautiful lady, what's the secret of her long hair? Do you all want to hear? I'm
Yes,
sure
people
you.
just missed it, right? Because at that time, most of them were eating. सारे के सारे भूखे थे. Isn't it? Somebody said yes. I don't know who's that.
So we are going to hear the secret today. What's the secret?
Keshavardhini.
Now you all know.
I should try that right now.
Yeah, you should. Thank you.
And sir, we have another one for you.
So he was a very sporty volunteer tonight. Thank you so much. Thank you, everyone.
Yeah, it's a couple. Sporty couple.
They are also a couple. Definitely a wonderful pair. So we have a beautiful message to be shared by this wonderful lady.
Just 1 year back, I had donated 12.5 inches of my hair for cancer patients. And after that, my
Applause.
hair grew, and now I'm proud that I've donated my hair for a good cause. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
That was indeed inspiring.
Thank you, Akshata.
Thank you.
So, let's cause trouble again.
Yeah? Are you all in for some spot games tonight? Wow.
Oh, great.
The Josh is high there.
So, people have eaten, I guess, isn't it? That's why Josh is there. How's the Josh, guys? Somebody said, sir. Ooh. Do I look like sir right now? Do I?
Vinay clearly
No,
says
Josh.
no.
Okay, the next spot game is anyone who can take a selfie with nobody around. Can anyone take it? Anybody take a selfie and with nobody around you, not even single person.
Anyone who takes the first selfie and comes on the stage here, shows us the photograph, will win a wonderful prize.
Only one.
We already have one.
On spot, right here. I want
Anyone
it.
else?
Okay, we got two people. Oh, that is.
That was quite fast.
That was fast.
Anyone to beat this?
We got a similar one, but ahead. You can say,
No, you can start.
We got a third one here, and yeah, she's also a winner.
We
and
have
we have Mangala
another-
ma'am again.
Tough competition.
See, right now everybody is not hungry. Nobody's hungry. People are coming. Yeah, we got another winner.
Yeah.
We got ma'am.
Wonderful. So this seems like
That's
a tie.
all.
Oh, we have
You're
more and
not
more
so-
participants. You're clearly here to take one award tonight.
Who is she?
Nobody's there, no?
Mom.
Vinay's photo is the best among all. Tell me
So-
why? He's taken a selfie near the food counter. Are you hungry, Vinay? He's not.
Hungry for a prize.
Hungry for prize. Okay, now this is a tough competition.
Yeah. How to select him from this?
So anyone who is, okay, so you have your birth dates, right? So the smallest number will be the winner. So can you all tell me your birth dates? Date,
Just
not
the
the
date.
year.
Just
the
the
day,
date.
the day.
12th.
19th.
8.
11. 11.
Vinay, better luck.
24.
29.
December 29.
6.
5.
13.
So we got 5.
So we have the winner here tonight. Your name?
Dr. Radhika.
Dr. Radhika wins this prize, and a big round of applause to every participant tonight. Thank you
Loudly,
so
people.
much.
We got winners here. Lots of them actually, because they came onto the stage, isn't it? We have people on stage here.
Thank you for your
guys.
active
Thank you,
participation.
guys. I think we have other visitors too here, isn't it? See, people, not just people, even insects are watching us.
So moving on to our next spot game. Anyone with the highest number of piercing? Ear piercing.
I think girls will win this. Let's see. Guys, anyone?
Anyone with the highest number of ear piercing?
Anybody? There are lots of ladies here. I can see little girls, sometimes young guys. Nobody?
Even if you're not wearing accessories but you have ear piercing, that's fine.
Oh, we got a winner here itself.
So we have the first participant here. Anyone else?
I think that's the only one right now, isn't it?
Okay, we have one more.
Okay.
Let's count. Now it's a tie. Okay. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so we have a winner here. Okay, we have another participant.
Can you beat 5?
Okay, so we have 3 here, another 3, so that's 6. So yours is also 3 and 3 is 6, right? And yours? 4 and 4. Okay, 8. So she has equal piercing of 4. So we have a winner tonight, but thank you all for coming forward. Okay, we can include nose piercing too, no issues. But I think we still clearly have her as a winner. So please, a big round of applause to
Sushma.
Sushma. Thank you, Sushma.
Here's the prize for you. Thank you. You're welcome. So, can we move on to the next program?
Yeah, what is it? I'm eagerly waiting to see and view. Are you all too?
Are you? That's good. Because we have a vibrant South Indian mixed dance.
So get ready for some energetic beats of the South Indian music. Please let's hear it up for our team who's going to come forward now to showcase the beautiful South Indian music through a form of a dance. Let's hear it, guys, for them.
The team by Gammat Caters. It's Shravya, Bhavyashree, Sushma, Varshini, Shishir, Prajwal, Vijay and Vinyas. The stage is yours.
Cheers! ಮಸ್ತ್ ಮಸ್ತ್ ಹುಡುಗಿ ಬಂದ್ಲು ನಾನು ನನ್ನ ದೋಸ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರು ಎಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕೂ ಅಸ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರು ಸುಸ್ತುವಾಗಿ ಕುಸ್ತು ಬಿದ್ದೆ ಮಸ್ತ್ ಮಸ್ತ್ ಹುಡುಗಿ ಬಂದ್ಲು ನಾನು ನನ್ನ ದೋಸ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರು ಎಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕೂ ಅಸ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರು ಸುಸ್ತುವಾಗಿ ಕುಸ್ತು ಬಿದ್ದೆ
பதுக்குச்சே கண் மறைச்சு போற புள்ள முன்னழைச்சது யாரும் இல்ல ஓ மனசில் தான் விழுந்த நானும் தங்கிடவே என்னமே உன்னால புந்தது தன்னால கண்ணமே என் கண்ணால புந்து செவந்து பொண்ணாக ஏதோ நானும் ஓளற கொஞ்சம் காதல் வளர पागल हुआ दीवाना हुआ पागल हुआ दीवाना हुआ कैसी ये दिल की लगी
चुरा के दिल तेरा चली मैं चली
വന്നേ
Well, that was an energetic performance. Don't you all agree? After all, it was the beautiful South Indian music. Before we proceed, I would like to call upon Dr. Radhika Casey, who won the first Spot Award. She won the Spot Award for winning the best selfie and for being the first to come on stage. A big round of applause for Dr. Radhika Casey. Please hold on. I would like to understand from you, how has been the Josh 2024 event so far?
Good evening, everyone. I have been attending this Josh for past 3 years. I have my brother working here in the Diya Systems Glue Touch system, and I'm very glad to be invited here. And it is excellent to have all the employees to have an annual meet, and it's surpassed its expectations. Every year it's improving, and it's really very nice. I've not prepared much for this, so that's all.
Well, that was spot on.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you so much, Dr. Radhika. That was spot on, but it was wonderful hearing from you. So we have another spot game. This should be easy. I would like any one of you to come forward and tell us the 8 global locations that Unify CX is present in. Anyone in? I repeat, anyone who can come forward and tell us the name of the 8 global locations Unify CX is spread across. The time is ticking. Anyone? Anyone here? Well, I'm going to keep this as a suspense before I tell it out. Okay, so we have Roshan, who's going to tell us the 8 global locations that Unify CX is spread across. Over to Roshan, and a big round of applause to him.
Thank you. All right, the first one is India Mangalore, which is 0091. Again, you have India Mysore, which is 0091. You have CS UPTH, which is 0063. Then again, you have GTEPH, which is EXA, again 0063. You have Colombia, which is 1829. You have San Antonio, which is 0001, 3 times 01. How many did I? 2 India, 2 in Philippines, 4, 1 in Colombia, 1 in US. That's 6. Then you have, Honduras and Jamaica. So Honduras is, so all these codes which I'm referring, these are all ISD codes which are used in the reporting. Yep.
Thank you so much. Roshan, please hold on. Thank you for being a very quick participant for this event, and definitely this prize goes to you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. So are you all in for the next event? Are you all? But first, I need to find my co-host Suhas. Suhas, where are you? Oh, there you are. And look who's with you. Akshata, looking all graceful tonight. Guys, please stay tuned as we have Suhas and Akshata going to rock the stage with your amazing numbers that they're going to present tonight. Over to Suhas and Akshata. Let's hear it for them, guys. There's no Josh, let's hear it for them. Woo!
Hello, check.
Hello. Hello.
करते जाना।
चुरा लिया है तुमने जो दिल को, नजर नहीं चुराना सनम।
बदल के मेरी तुम जिंदगानी, कहीं बदल ना जाना सनम।
Find a way. Love will find a way.
मेरे मन ये बता दे किस ओर चला है तू, क्या पाया नहीं तूने, क्या ढूंढ रहा है तू। जो है अनसुनी वो बात क्या है बता। कहे धड़कने तुझसे क्या मितवा, ये खुद से थोड़ा तू छुपा।
Find a way. अगलावा मजबूरी नो, आन जान जब सूरी नो, जहर बने हाँ तेरे, पी जावा में पूरी नो।
आला सीने में आया, दिल बाग बाग मेरा टकराया, काका बोल के दस जावे आवा के देखू। रावाच बावा चोनू लुकाव कोई मैनू ना रोके, मेरे डोल जुदाइया दी मेरा कबर की वे होवे, आ जावे दिल तेरा पूरा मीना होवे। हाँ बनिया बनाया दी गल बात की वे होवे, आ जावे दिल तेरा पूरा भी ना होवे, पूरा भी ना होवे।
Thank you.
Thank you.
That was indeed a spectacular performance by Suhas and Akshata, wasn't it? How are you all enjoying this evening? Wonderful. So are you all in for another sport game, or am I troubling you too much? Are you all in? Okay. So anyone with the maximum number of colors in their dress? Anyone with maximum color in their dress, please come forward. I think Vinay is going to steal the award tonight. Let's hear it for Vinay. I'm going to count till 5 so that Vinay wins. 1, 2, 3. Vinay, I have to give you an award. Yes. Yeah, for the energy. Come on. Oh, we clearly have a competition. Arun. Hey, you guys, have you shopped together?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10, 20, 30.
Do you want to hear Vinay counting? We'll hear it from him, huh? Come on, Vinay.
1, 2, 3, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Yeah.
Vinay, which school did you study in?
I don't remember.
Aloysius. Okay, so, oh, we have a young participant here. Hi, what's your name?
Sharvi.
Shari. So how many colors do you have on your top tonight, today? So, I think I would need help. I would need your help, Suhas.
Sure. It's
Look at Vinay.
10 or something should be there.
Vinay can see 10 colors. Okay, so it's 8. Suhas will help me though.
she has 10.
Light, dark and all you have to change, okay?
This is going to be difficult, people.
Yeah, please. Add one in the number, you don't worry, okay? If you
Let's
see a
add
difference-
The competition is getting
Vinay is
tougher.
the winner.
How do we?
20 years.
I forgot counting clearly.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Radhika is here to grab the next award. Wow. I forgot. Vinay, don't lose hope. You said 20 and 30. Where are you going?
No, he's not counting properly. There are 20.
Which school did you go to, Suhas?
See, he is referring to light gray and dark gray.
Yeah, light.
Should I count that? Okay.
At least for participation. Now Vinay has to win. I think I'll forget counting. Suhas to the rescue, please.
Hey, Suhas, what?
Be the judge, Boda.
Okay, come.
Okay, you will help me in counting now, Vinay.
No, I can't do that. My wife, she's
He's afraid of his wife. Okay, so we have another participant.
Sphere 8, 3, and another 6.
Here, Vinay.
animal.
So Vinay
What
wants
is his
us to
10?
add his shades of color. Can we add that?
Here,
Dark,
Suhas.
See, 10 colors. See, 5, 2.
Okay, I see 3 colors. If we use the different shades, that will be 6, Vinay.
Ash color, then black, then light blue, dark blue, and different blue. Then light, what is this? Pink or something. Then peach, yeah, peach. Then here light gray is there. Then
Okay, we can
We
announce
will-
Vinay as winner.
I think we learn all new colors from Vinay tonight.
Still, Vinay, I don't think you're going to beat her.
I'm going back. I'm not coming back.
Vinay, don't you want the participations award?
Vinay is always ready for that, isn't it?
I'll be here.
So till then, let's groove for some nice numbers. So let's have the music on. Maybe the best, you can win the best dancer, Vinay. Come on, Vinay will show his moves tonight. Are you all in to watch Vinay on stage?
Yes, we
Look
do
at
want
the
Vinay to
response, Vinay, you can't deny. Come on. Vinay has a special request. Please play the tiger dance. Vinay, right on the center of the stage. The stage is all yours. Arun, please come in.
Yes,
Do you
Arun.
all want to see Arun dance too?
Yes, we do.
We
Please.
can't deny now. Arun, please. And all those, please join in. Even the kids. Pilli padya paadle. Woo! Cheer it up for Vinay. Arun, the stage is all yours. Come on, Arun. Cheer up for Arun and Vinay.
Hello.
Music shouldn't end.
And thank you, Vinay.
Thank you so much, Vinay and Arun. And thank you, kids. We will
Thank you,
soon
kids.
announce. Thank you all for your active participation and Vinay. So should an award go to Vinay for the wonderful dance?
Yes or no? Because also he has come 4 or 5 times, I guess, on the stage.
I really want to give him an award. Can I hear a yes from you guys?
Can we?
Award to Banta. Vinay, please stay back. You definitely win an award now.
Seems like we have a confusion over the selection of winner here. Can we hear it? Yeah. And Vinay, you're getting a new one. Finally, Vinay did it, isn't it? Yeah.
You guys did it. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
You guys did it, okay?
Thank you, Radha. Thank you. Thank you. So Vinay, we want to hear from you now.
What?
For participating 5 times and finally winning the award. How's the feeling? How's the Josh?
Josh is very good. So I wanted to at least win one award. Thanks to you guys. I did it. Even though the award category was not there. You made it happen. Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you, Vinay. You made it happen. Thank you so much.
So, Michelle, can we move on?
Yes.
So, what is the next one?
With this beautiful rains, I can only think of one thing.
And that is?
The magic of Bollywood. Bollywood songs is all about joy, love, and some drama.
So, can we get ready to experience it? Can we, guys? So, let's give a round of applause for Bollywood OG Amigos.
Let's hear it for them.
Shibani, Anushri, Akshay, Ananya, Sneha, Deena, Sharan, Abhay, Sushant, and Royson. The stage is yours.
A big round of applause to all of them. Let's hear it for them, guys.
सोना फिर तो है जाना, तोहफा क्या लेके जाइए दिल ये बताना। खाली हाथ आए थे हम, खाली हाथ बस प्यार के तो मीठे बोल झिलमिलाएंगे तो हंस, क्योंकि दुनिया को है हंसाना। ऐ मेरे दिल को गाएगा इश्क में दिल बना है, इश्क में दिल फना है। मिटा दे या बना दे, मैंने तुझको चुना है। तेरे सारे रंग ओढ़ के, रंग ओढ़ के तेरा हुआ मैं सबको छोड़ के। इश्क करना नाप तोल के, राज खोल के आया हूँ मैं सबको बोल के। मैं था चलिया तेरी ओर से, चलिया है जोर तेरा होया मैं यार में, भूले आए संसार में। चलिया तेरी ओर से, चलिया है जोर तेरा होया मैं यार में, भूले आए संसार में। तुमसे मिलने का कीड़ा अंदर है, डेटिंग कर ले तू ओपन कैलेंडर है। तुमसे मिलने का कीड़ा अंदर है, डेटिंग कर ले तू ओपन कैलेंडर है। सोम मंगल बुध गुरु शुक्र शनि रवि, आजा मेरी गली, आजा मेरी गली, आजा मेरी गली, आजा मेरी गली।
तुमसे मिलने का कीड़ा अंदर है, डेटिंग कर ले तू ओपन कैलेंडर। सोम मंगल बुध गुरु शुक्र शनि रवि, आजा मेरी गली, आजा मेरी गली, आजा मेरी गली, आजा मेरी गली।
హీరాకు రంగం సిద్ధం చేశా, ఎందుకు పుట్టిందో పుట్టింది, మౌనమంటే ముచ్చట పుట్టింది, పుడతాని పిచ్చి పట్టింది, ఈ పేరు పెట్టింది, వయ్యారం మోడి కట్టింది, కోరిక పెట్టింది, సామికి ముక్కుమల్లే చుట్టేస్తాంది, చుట్టేస్తాంది, చుట్టమల్లే చుట్టేస్తాంది।
अरे यार कोई एसी चला दो यार। सही है सही है। बाकी सारी फेक लगे, देख तुझको ब्रेक लगे, दूर दूर से ठीक है रानी, पास आऊं तो सेक लगे।
पारा इतना हाई हुआ कि थर्मामीटर टूट गया, सैया जी का टपक टपक के हाय पसीना छूट गया।
कैसी गुंडागर्दी है, बंदी तू बेदर्दी है, सर्दी में भी कर दी है, करती है, करती 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 करती। आए घर में, आए घर में, आए घर में, आए घर में। Nothing saying it, seeing night, and we're feeling alright, yeah, we're feeling alright. खराब करे, आ गलती बेहिसाब करे। दो पल की जो नींद उड़ी, आ पूरे सारे ख्वाब करे। क्या करने हैं उम्रों के वादे, ये जो रहते हैं रहने दे आगे। दो बार नहीं एक बार सही, एक रात की कर ले तू यारी। सुबह तक मान के मेरी बात, तू ऐसे सोच ना जी आज। हे घुंघरू टूट गए, हे घुंघरू टूट गए।
छोड़ दे सारा शर्मा आज, वैसे सोच ना जी आज। के घुंघरू टूट गए, के घुंघरू टूट गए।
हिम्मत से नाचो थिरक थिरक यारो, धरती हिला दो थिरक थिरक रे। माटी का बादल फुक फुक जाए, अंबर झुका दो थिरक थिरक रे। धड़क भड़क बंदा हो, खलक तलक बंदा हो, फिकर फिकर जिंदा हो, बंदा हो जिंदा हो। तबड़ तोड़क बंदा हो, पलक तलक बंदा हो, सबर शुक्र जिंदा हो, बंदा हो जिंदा हो। धड़पन रंगारे, धड़कन अंगारे, तन मन गंगारे, जिंदा बंदा हो। अरे तन मन गंगारे, जिंदा बंदा हो। झटपट झूमर घूमर झांझर बाजे रे, पैरों तले धुआं चले।
A very, very awesome performance, isn't it? I think they want me to dance. A round of applause again, please. You know, I feel like dancing. You know which song? I am a disco dancer.
Areva, where is this Josh from? Clearly from
Well-
Josh 2024.
Exactly, because Bollywood is in the air, isn't it?
Exactly. So we will now have the Gru girls who will groove for some amazing Bollywood numbers. Over to the girls, the Gru girls.
The stage is yours.
छेड़ेंगे हम तुझको, लड़की तू है बड़ी बुम्बाट। उलाला 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 उलाला, तू है मेरी फैंटेसी।
छोड़ना अब मैं जवां हो गई।
जचदा है जचदा है कोरे मुखड़े ते तेनू काला चश्मा जचदा है जचदा है कोरे मुखड़े ते
सैया मारो पलमा पधारो मारी कंट्री मारे आओ पधारो कि सैया मारो पलमा पधारो मारी कंट्री मारे आओ पधारो
धड़क चिक तुम धड़कन बोले जब तू छपते आए नैन लड़ा के तुझसे मन मंदिर में जुंगल बिल हो जाए
तुम धड़क चिक तुम धड़कन बोले जब तू छत पे आए नैन लड़ा के तुझसे मन मंदिर में जिंगल बेल हो जाए
तेरा हसीन चेहरा आहा मेरे लबों से निकला वहाँ ढूंढ गूगल पे जाके मिलेगा मजनू मेरे जैसा कहा पूरी पलटन के साथ लेके बारात बनवा ये तेरा नाचे रिंग 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 रिंग
बिच्छू में रहना बड़ी जहरीली आँख मारे कमसिन कमरिया साली एक ठुमके से लख मारे बिच्छू में रहना बड़ी जहरीली आँख मारे कमसिन कमरिया साली एक ठुमके से लख मारे नोट हजारों का खुला छुट्टा कराने आई हुस्न की तीली से बीड़ी चिल्लम चलाने आई चिकनी चमेली छुप के अकेली बउआ चढ़ा के आई चिकनी चमेली छुप के अकेली बउआ चढ़ा के आई चिकनी चमेली छुप के अकेली बउआ चढ़ा के आई चिकनी चमेली छुप के अकेली बउआ चढ़ा के आई
Wow, wow, wow. What an amazing performance, isn't it? Isn't it, guys? I can't hear you. So, again, the cliche question how's the Josh? Still, I'm not able to hear. Yeah, now some Josh has come.
The Josh is increasing.
Yeah, can we increase it again?
How's the Josh, guys?
Okay, that's good. Now,
Okay, Suhas, are you in for some blast from the past?
huh? Means?
Well, I'm referring to some amazing Bollywood retro music that most of us have listened, grew up listening to. So over to the Bollywood retro girls. Let's please cheer up for them. Ladies and gentlemen, Bollywood retro girls.
A round of applause, please.
जाना, ढूंढे तुझे दीवाना, सपनों में रोज आए, आ जिंदगी में आना सनम।
मैंने ऐसा तो नहीं कहा था। अरे रास्ता रास्ता देखो आप मेरी लड़ी है, अरे रास्ता रास्ता देखो आप मेरी लड़ी है, अरे आप जिससे लड़ी है वो पास मेरे खड़ी है, मुझे जानती है जब से ये मरती है तब से, मैं भी इससे चोरी छुपे चाहता हूँ तब से, दिल में ये मेरे बस गई। खामोश।
सोना सोना बाबा सोना सोना बाबा सोना 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 मेरे सोना रे सोना रे सोना रे, दे मेरी जान जुदा मत होना रे, मैंने तुझे नहीं मेरे में हुआ तो सोना जुदा मत होना रे, वो मेरे सोना रे सोना रे सोना।
रास्ता देखो आप मेरी लड़ी है, अरे आप से लड़ी है वो पास मेरे खड़ी है।
मैं तो रास्ते से जा रहा था, मैं तो भेलपुरी खा रहा था, मैं तो लड़की घुमा रहा था, रास्ते से जा रहा था, भेलपुरी खा रहा था, लड़की घुमा रहा था, तुझको मिर्ची लगी तो मैं क्या करूं, तुझको मिर्ची लगी तो मैं क्या करूं।
अपना काफिला जब प्यार से चला, लोगों का दिल जला, यारों का दिल मिला,
मोहब्बत का यही सिलसिला, मुकाला मुकाबला लैला, ओहो लैला, मुकाबला सुभान अल्लाह लैला, ओहो लैला।
चुरा के दिल मेरा गोरिया चली, चुरा के दिल मेरा गोरिया चली, पूरा के निंदिया कहाँ तू चली, पागल हुआ दीवाना हुआ, पागल हुआ दीवाना हुआ, कैसी ये दिल की लगी।
मुझको हुई न खबर, चोरी चोरी छुप छुप कर,
मुझको हुई न खबर चोरी चोरी छुप छुप कर अरे मुझको हुई न खबर चोरी चोरी छुप छुप कर कब प्यार की पहली नजर है ले गई ले गई ले गई ले गई अरे ले गई 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 ले गई
Thank you, Bollywood retro dancers. That was indeed beautiful and amazing.
क्योंकि तुम ही हो अब तुम ही हो जिंदगी अब तुम ही हो
Dada and Suhas, looks like love is in the air.
Nope, I think it's with you.
Hello, enna madme aandiye, Dada.
I am just joking. So, shall we move on?
Why not?
And let's welcome Aditya to play a song from Ashiki 2.
Let's hear it for Aditya.
Hal sing, hal, hal, hal sing, hal, hal, hal sing. Music, just one. Just the music one, please. Music, just once. Hal, sing, hal. Yeah, okay. Hey guys, this is Aditya. I hope you will love it.
अब
very, very beautiful song, isn't it? Isn't it, guys? That was very beautiful. Thank you, Aditya, for that song. Now, since the love is over, can we go to the cultures again? Because we are going to witness one of the most revered traditions of India, the Navadurga dance. The 9 forms of goddess Durga. Please join us for them to showcase their talent on the stage. Thank you.
जगत्स्थिते जगन्मातर्महालक्ष्मी नमोऽस्तुते श्वेताम्बरधरे देवी नानालङ्कारभूषिते जगत्स्थिते जगन्मातर्महालक्ष्मी नमोऽस्तुते
सुन्दरि माधवि चन्द्र सहोदरि हेममयि मुनिगणवन्दित मोक्षप्रदायिनि मञ्जुळवासिनि वेदनुते पङ्कजवासिनि देव सुपूजित सद्गुणवर्षिणि शान्तियुते जय जय हे मधुसूदन कामिनि आदिलक्ष्मि जय पालय माम् गिरिनन्दिनि नन्दितमेदिनि विश्वविनोदिनि नन्दनुते गिरिवरविन्द्यशिरोधिनि वासिनि विष्णुविलासिनि जिष्णुनुते भगवति देशिति कण्ठकुटुम्बिनि भूरि कुटुम्बिनि भूरि कृते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते पुरवरवर्षिणि दुर्धरधर्षिणि दुर्मुखमर्षिणि हर्षरते त्रिभुवनपोषिणि शङ्करतोषिणि कल्मषमोषिणि घोषरते धनुजनिरोषिणि दिविसुतरोषिणि दुर्मदशोषिणि सिन्धुसुते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते शिरोधिनि माधिनि विष्णु विलासिनि जिष्णुते भगवति वेशिनि कंठ कुटुम्बिनि भूरि कुटुम्बिनि भूरि कृते जय जय हे महिषासुरनन्दिनि रम्यकवर्धिनि शैलसुते सुरलननादतदे तदे तदाडनि विद्दचलासते अतिवरदौगतदानवदानकुतूहलनादरते दिव्यदिव्यकिटदिव्यकिटदिव्यध्वनितीरं रङ्गमिनादरते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकवर्धिनि शैलसुते रम्यकवर्धिनि शैलसुते रम्यकवर्धिनि शैलधिनि शैलसुते
A big round of applause for them, please. That was a very great, spectacular performance, isn't it? Isn't it, people? You want to see something more? Yeah, before that, we have something else.
Well, the night is young, but the Josh still continues. So to keep the Josh alive, I now request Divya Shri Gatti to please come forward and express and deliver the vote of thanks. It is now time to express gratitude to all those who have put in their hard work to successful one. Over to Divya Shri Gatti.
Thank you, Michelle. The voice is a little cracked, but the Josh is still high. So you'll have to bear up with my voice, but there are a lot of people here who need to be recognized for putting across this show. First and foremost, it's Vidya. Vidya might be there thousands of kilometers away, but her presence is felt in Josh every starts from the day we start ideating Josh every year. And the ELT, SLT, and a lot of them who are watching online and who are here, thank you to the whole leadership team here. It's just not, Josh is not just about me standing here and talking and all of them performing. It's about too many things put together and a lot of people who have come together. So I would like to recognize them. Very thankless, or should I say, it will be unrightful of me to not call out their names. So one and two people together should be Satish Shetty and Vijay Kumar sir. They'll not come on stage. Whatever reason, however much I may push them, they are like the pillars when it comes to Josh, the planning. They are the people behind. One is standing there. I don't know where is the other. If you could push them on stage, I'd be happier. But there are two people. Can you hear it? There's nobody who doesn't know Satish Shetty and Vijay Kumar. Please clap for those two people who do not take any credit, but they do all the work that's required for Josh. This is the end of Josh Mangalore, but it starts from the very day that first form goes out for sports activities. And when it comes to sports activities, I have two anchors with me standing through the last 3 years when it comes to Josh. And can somebody, just if you find them across, please then push them here. Supreet Bangera and Neville Dias, please come on the dais, please. Supreet Bangera and Neville Dias, on the dais, please. I can see Supreet, I can't see Neville. He's sure doing some work somewhere. Yes, he's right here. Thank you. These are the anchors when it comes to Josh sports events. We try something new. Please come in center, please. This is the way they shy away from all the recognition they get. These are the anchors when it comes to sports. They are the perfect example that how to excel in work as in sports. They are the ones who win the maximum awards, maximum cream, and yet make sure they lead their team's example. I would like to acknowledge one specific team that is led by Neville, Beard Army, wherever you are, this is for you. This is for giving the maximum support for every sports event. You played, you volunteered, you were there every single time we wanted. Thank you, Neville, for making this happen for you and your team. We tried a few things, and there are two more people who are joining us on stage. I want the double R here. You've heard of the triple R, but I have two R's in my team. Ravish and Raghavendra, please come up on stage. when it comes to anything you ask on the group, which I have created of this volunteering team, the first person to receive a thumbs up, I am there, is Raghu or Raghavendra. Anything, cultural, sports, anything, the first person to volunteer is Raghu. And Ravish, he's actually running 102 degrees temperature right now, and he's still here to make sure that his role is fulfilled by him, and we don't have to search for people back in. So can I hear it for the double R on my stage here, please? Megha, the guy who just lost his civil status right now. Meghraj, please come up on stage. 2 days before his wedding, he was on the cricket ground. 3 days after his wedding, he was in the cricket ground. That's Meghraj for you, who has been there in the council. His wife, wherever you are, this is your extended family. That's the whole team that I'm calling. There are a few more people to join you here. I'm calling my ambassadors. They're also ambassadors of Glow Touch. And sorry, Unify CX, I should say that, Unify CX. I should get used to that. A few more people to call up is the two women. Till now, our sports committee was filled with men. And for this year, we thought we need women there also. So I call upon stage Neha and Aishwarya to join here. Neha, you know which one you are. So when it came to throwball, volleyball matches, from making sure to cleaning the court when we had rains, they were there, making sure their hands were as involved in the sports as much as the men were there. So made it count. Thank you, girls. I have a cultural team which most of them are part of. I'm going to call the rest of the team to make it one team and unify it on stage. Saili, Anushri, they are the Chota Dhamakas, the Kamal packages here. Don't be fooled by that size that girl has. She will give any person of any size or stature, her words and make sure things are done. That is Saili for you. And there's Anushri with a smile. She can get any work done. So these are the two girls I have in my team. And yes, I don't know which one is older, but I have Neha and Lata here. Can I have them on stage? Neha and Lata, please come on stage. Because they both don't act the age. The maturity I see in Neha is quite extremely. With that costume, she was ready to volunteer anytime. That's Neha, who danced, who has mesmerized us. She's there for everything. She just is one message away. And there's Lata. I still don't know how old is she, because the energy she brings on the stage or to our team. Okay, a few more names. Anish is not here, the guy who's always with the camera. But one more person who's going to join us on this team, on the volunteering team, is Suhani. She's the most dreaded person on the team. Because if Suhani is giving you a call, it means there's something to be done there. So this is my ambassadors team. We call it ourselves cultural ambassadors, sports ambassadors. This is a completely volunteer team. They volunteer to do work for you to have fun. Can I hear it for my sports ambassadors and cultural ambassadors, please? This is a team of 2024. In the meantime, I have 3 other people who have been hearing a lot of my yellings and scoldings for the last 3 months, who have been my team. I would like to acknowledge them also. Satvik, Gaurav, Tanuja. For all the things they hear throughout the year on how to do things done, they have to be recognized for what they do. It's part of their job. Their job is to make sure your life has fun at work. So they are the Beyond Work team for you, Gaurav, Satvik, and Tanuja. Okay, I'm checking whether I've missed out somebody. Yes, there's one person, while we all are enjoying here, there's somebody sitting there behind a system, not getting the food that you're going to enjoy, not going to witness anything that you're doing. He's sitting in Mysore and making sure your accesses, whoever came in late, they're all accommodating real time. Panindra, I know you'll hear it later, but thank you for automating the whole entry process for us. Thank you. The performers, this time around, we made sure that anybody who wants to dance, anybody who wants to sing, we accommodate without auditions. Anybody who wish to come here, come perform with us. This year around, we made sure the kids performed here so that we give our next generation also a chance on stage. These are the things that this team has worked and put across too. A few other names I need to mention are Hari sir and Sukumar. Somewhere there around, they were the biggest strength when it comes to making sure things got moving when things got difficult. I'm sure you are somewhere where you cannot come right now, but thank you, sir. The marketing team, Viral, Avinash, Deepak, somewhere there. If somebody can spot Deepak, please. Deepak, can you come up on stage, please? We have the Kaur Electricals, Sridevi, caterers, DJ Mancha, who is going to play. We are early on time, people. We kept our word. So you'll have a lot of DJ time after this. The Kaur Police Station. And most importantly, everyone who has come here, to all of you, thank you for making Josh. Thank you for making this happen, for coming here. And thank you from all of us. Please don't leave. We have the band performing ready. So thank you from my team to you, making our efforts fruitful and make it matter. Thank you, guys. I'm looking for the MCs to come on stage. Can we have a group picture, please? Please, before I put my mic down, we have a group picture, please. I need to call a few more names. I will call them. The performers, whoever is there around, all the performers who have performed today, please be ready. We are calling you on stage next, wherever you are. First, the volunteering team. I want Michelle and Suhas also here. The other two MCs also, please join us later. Thank you. All the performers, are you here? Anybody around? I'm sure they are all tired. Thank you for all the performers, from all the groups who made sure they performed, rehearsed, making time for themselves and for work and for their performances. Thank you all. Enjoy the night. The night is still young. Before the MCs pull off my plug, please take it on stage.
Thank you, Divashri Gatti. She's our organizer for tonight and has organized this program beautifully. Thank you once again. Ladies and gentlemen, the food counter is now open. Request you to please proceed to the registration counter to collect your food coupons. Well, are you all in for some trouble? I think everyone's hungry. I cannot hear you. Are you all in for some trouble? Okay, so we have a team of 10 who will be performing the amazing band. Over to Double Trouble, guys. Let's hear it for them. One announcement, the food counter will be open till 9:30, post which we'll have our most awaited event, that is the DJ that's going to start. Request you all to please come forward, post 9:30. I repeat, the DJ will start immediately after the band and will close at 9:45. Looking forward to all of you.
Guys. Test the vocal.
Check.
All the best.
Hello.
Hello.
Keep it inside there, it will be easy for everyone.
Check.
Let her stand on the side.
Yeah, then she.
जिस राह पे है गर तेरा अक्सर वहाँ से हाँ मैं हूँ गुजरा शायद यही दिल में रहा तू मुझको मिल जाए क्या पता क्या है ये सिलसिला जानू ना मैं जानू ना ओ दिल संभल जा जरा फिर मोहब्बत करने चला है तू दिल यही रुक जा जरा फिर मोहब्बत करने चला है तू कुछ भी नहीं जब दिल में आ फिर क्यों है दिल तेरे ही ख्वाब बुनता चाहा कि वे तुझको बोला पर ये भी मुमकिन हो ना सका क्या है ये मामला जानू ना मैं जानू ना वो दिल संभल जा जरा फिर मोहब्बत करने चला है तू
ಎಲ್ರೂ ಮಾಯ ಆಗೋದಕ್ಕೆ ರೆಡಿನಾ ನಾನು ರೆಡಿ
ಮಾಯಾವಿ ಮಿನುಗುನಿ ಮುಂಜಾನೆ ಬಿಸಿಲುನಿ ಸಾದಿರು ಹಾಡು ನೀನು
दिल हारी मैं दिल हारी। तेरे नाम से जी लूं, तेरे नाम से मर जाऊं, तेरे नाम से जी लूं, तेरे नाम से मर जाऊं, तेरे जान के सदके से फिर ऐसा करता हूँ। तूने क्या कर डाला, मर गई मैं, मिट गई मैं, ओ जी आज हो गई मैं तेरी दीवानी दीवानी, तेरी दीवानी दीवानी। तूने क्या कर डाला, मर गई मैं, मिट गई मैं, ओ जी आज हो गई मैं तेरी दीवानी दीवानी, तेरी दीवानी दीवानी। ओ हो है मैं रंग रंगीली दीवानी, है मैं बेली के मस्तानी। तेरे नाम से जी लूं, तेरे नाम साऊं, तेरे जान के सदके से कुछ ऐसा कर जाऊं। तूने क्या कर डाला, मर गई मैं, मिट गई मैं, ओ जी आज हो गई मैं तेरी दीवानी दीवानी, तेरी दीवानी दीवानी, तेरी दीवानी दीवानी।
कायनात में
Put your hands together.
गुलाबी आंखें जो तेरी देखी शराबी हो गया संभालो मुझको ओ मेरे यारो समझना मुश्किल हो गया गुलाबी आंखें जो तेरी देखी शराबी हो गया दिल में मेरे खूब just bringing me out of town. Finally, I can see you crystal clear. Go ahead and sell me out and I'll lay your ship in. See how I leave in every piece of food. Don't underestimate the things that I will do. There's a fire starting in my heart, reaching a fever pitch, just bringing me out of town. The scars of your love remind me of us. They keep me thinking that we almost had it all. The scars of your love, they leave me breathless. I can't help feeling we could have had it all. Rolling in the deep, you have my heart inside your hand, and you played it to the beat, baby. Story to be told, but I've heard one of you. I'm gonna make your head burn. Think of me in the depths of your despair, making hometown limits mine, sure won't be shared. The scars of your love remind me of us. They all, the scars of your love, they leave me breathless. I can't help feeling we could have had it all. Rolling in the deep, you have my heart inside your hand, and you played it to the beat. We could have had it all. Rolling in the deep, you have my heart inside your hand, and you played it to the beat.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much.
How was that, guys? How was that? Adipoli?
Well, that was an electrifying performance by the team Double Trouble. Let's hear it for them again. What makes it more special is to see the teams and talents collaborate to make it an amazing performance for us. Ladies and gentlemen, like all good things come to an end, so is our program. But stay tuned, we have the most awaited moment for tonight, that is the DJ. Before that, I'm Michelle.
And I'm Suhas.
Signing off tonight. Thank you so much. I hope you all enjoyed, and thank you so much for being an amazing spectator.
And a very good night. Thank you.
Good night, everyone. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, as we